Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out that super infamous trend of the magnetic lashes. Now, I have never used fake lashes of any kind, anytime, except maybe that one time I was Hannah Montana for Halloween when I was like 12 or something like that. But other than that, I've never tried them. I've always been really intimidated due to the gluing and placement and all that kind of stuff. I've just been too nervous too. But then I have always been intrigued ever since I saw this magnetic eyelashes. And if you don't know what I mean, basically like there's this eyeliner you put on and the eyelashes stick to the eyeliner magnetically. Don't understand how that works. I've seen a bunch of videos of it working. So when I was in Walgreens the other day, I saw this one right here and it really intrigued me because it was not expensive like I expected it to be. It was only like 18 or 17 or something like that. If I find the correct price, I'll put it up here for you, but it was not expensive. So I'm gonna try it out. This is from the brand Kiss, which does, what I'm familiar with it doing is fake nails and stuff like that. Maybe nail polish, something. But I saw these and we're gonna try them out. And I'm gonna let you watch me try them out. True newbie here, so don't think I'm going to be giving you tips and tricks on how to do this correctly because I've got no idea. And I did not watch any other people put these on like a full-on tutorial, so this is just based off of ads that I've seen from these, which I'm sure we've all of us makeup, beauty, interested people, I'm sure we've all gotten ads for this. So I've only seen ads, I've never actually seen a full-on tutorial, so this ought to be good. Let's see if it works. I'm just gonna read the instructions, which it's like, use this line with Kiss magnetic eyeliner along the lash line and wait until formula is dry. Then lash right onto the applied eyeliner. Make sure to shake bottle before use. That's like separate and in all caps. That's important apparently. I'm nervous. Got the eyeliner here. I already have eyeliner on. They do say that apply your normal eyeliner and just put this on top of it, so. I should also preface this by saying that I've never applied liquid eyeliner before, so this is gonna be real good. I'm about to get real close to the lens here, so sorry, more than you need to see. Okay, this is gonna be so bad. I didn't shake the bottle. Make sure to shake bottle before use. That's like separate and in all caps. That's important apparently. Oh no. Let's pretend I didn't do that yet. I literally just told you guys you need to shake this. And what did I do? Not shake it. It still feels wet. Okay, we're gonna do the other one now. I think that's good enough. Just need to let it dry. Okay, while that's drying, give you a little close up of the eyelashes I chose. So I don't know if you can see the little black dots here. Those are the magnets. And they say, you know, if these are too long for you, just cut close to the following magnet so that the magnet starts and ends the line of lashes. You know, like you don't have extra lashes hanging off the side, something like that. I haven't measured these, so I'm nervous. Okay, we're gonna take it off now. I'm scared. I dropped it. It's just, are you ready? Are you ready? I'm scared. Beautiful. I feel like these are gonna be too long. Oh. Oh, this is weird. Wow, this feels really strange. I don't really have anything to compare it to. Never worn fake eyelashes before. Is this what it's supposed to look like? Did that work? That doesn't look half bad. Let's do the next one now. It feels weird. Doesn't really feel like it's attaching on the end there. Wow. I think I need to apply a little bit more to the end. I think that's sticking better. Oh. What do you think? I think it works. So I have a few reactions happening. One, the fact that I've never worn fake eyelashes before. This is one feels weird. 2, I can kind of see them, which is strange. All that I believe you get used to if you wear them all the time, or at least often enough. Also that I just look very different. My eyes look bigger. I'm not complaining. But then my other reaction is to whether or not this magnetic eyeliner kit works. I'd say it works. Again, from a complete newbie of all things lashes anyways, but I mean, I feel like those of you watching this would be newbies too. So this is a newbie's reaction. So this might be your reaction. I like it. I never would want you to have it up close like this, but because my eyelashes are popping, I don't mind. I'm a fan. Okay, this is not a very long video to tell you that I like it. The takeaway is that I'm a fan. It works. It's not expensive. Okay, so let me just read a little thing on this package. Not sponsored, not anything. I bought this with my own money off my own little whim that I had. Easy liquid application, long-lasting, reusable, no smudge, biotin infused formula. Boom, we like biotin infused stuff, don't we? Secure hold, 5 magnets, of course, unless you need to cut them because your eyes are skinnier or something, I don't know. Tips, a little tips and tricks thing on the back of this package. Pair Kiss magnetic eyeliner with your favorite regular eyeliner to create your desired look. That's what I did today. Freely swap between the other Kiss double strength magnetic lashes depending on occasions. That's the thing, when I went to get this, there were 2 other options. One, they were like a little smaller, more natural, I guess, I don't know. And the other ones were way more voom type, you know what I'm saying? So they have multiple different types of eyelashes that come with these. Make sure to fully draw in the Kiss magnetic eyeliner where the magnets will be touching for secure application. Slide the lashes off the tray. Do not pull. Oops, I pulled them. Reapply 2 to 3 more coats for a maximized strength. That sounds like a good tip right there. To remove, wet a cotton swab with an oil-based makeup remover and gently wipe away the eyeliner. That sounds just like super simple. So any of you people can do it. If I could do it, you could do it. I give these an A+. I would probably do another layer or 2 like it said. And yeah, I'm excited. Ooh, success. Okay, I'm done being weird. I'm done stalling. This video is now over. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a like because that really helps show me what you like to see and it shows great support and I appreciate it. If you have any questions about it or you want me to try anything else beauty related, let me know in the comments down below. I would be more than happy to do so. Thanks again for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day.